Chef Elephant woke up one bright sunny day. He said, I'll bake a cake in the most wonderful way. He put on his apron and his tiny chef hat. He looked in the mirror and said, I like that! He grabbed the big flour that poof, what a mess! The flour went poof and he looked like a ghost, I confess. He cracked a big egg and it splattered his nose. The yolk dripped down slowly right onto his toes. He turned on the mixer, it spun like a wheel. The batter went flying, oh what a big deal! It splattered the ceiling, the walls and the floor, and somehow the batter flew right out the door. He put the cake in and he watched it bake slow. His eyes got all sparkly from the warm oven glow. He pulled out the cake and it looked tall and grand, the most beautiful cake in the whole of the land. He grabbed the frosting gun, squeeze, and then oh no! He felt a big tickle right up in his nose. His trunk started twitching, his eyes started to cross. He sneezed a huge ACHOO! And the frosting was lost. The frosting shot upward like rockets in space. It landed on Monkey and Rabbit's sweet face, on Hippo and Giraffe and Little Blue Jay. They all got so frosted. What a glorious day! They all started laughing and rolling around, with frosting and sprinkles all over the ground. Chef Elephant! Friends, let's eat it. This cake can't be beat! They sang and they danced and they ate every bite. Chef Elephant's cake was the best of the night. So next time you bake and things don't go to plan, just laugh and share joy, 'cause that's what makes a chef grand.